A good carpet sweeper is a financial investment, but shoppers still must make a few decisions before purchasing one. The size and weight of the sweeper, as well as its intended use, determine how useful it will be. The 5 best carpet sweepers of 2024 tested for quickly cleaning messes. A compact, lightweight carpet sweeper helps keep floors free of dust, dander, and debris without a heavy vacuum. Though carpet sweepers aren't for deep cleaning, they're still useful household tools, particularly for quick carpet touch-ups between weekly vacuumings. We tested some of the best on the market to find out which ones work best for specific situations. Our favorite was the Bissell Natural Sweep Carpet and Floor Sweeper, thanks to its lightweight, user-friendliness, and easy maintenance. Watching this video to learn what to look for when shopping for a carpet sweeper, along with recommendations for some of the best carpet sweepers on the market based on our hands-on testing. Number 1. Fuller Brush Electrostatic Carpet and Floor Sweeper, works on carpets and hard floor surfaces. The Fuller Brush Electrostatic Carpet and Floor Sweeper, a manual sweeper, has 2 rollers. One includes an electrostatic brush that can tackle messes like hair, crumbs, dust, and debris. The other roll contains a vinyl blade that can pick up larger items, including paper clips, glass, and even wet food spills. Also, it costs less than $100 and doesn't even have any suction power. But every time I bust out my electrostatic sweeper, I'm delighted by how well it picks up dirt, dust, debris, and even dog hair from both hard floors and low-pile rugs and carpets. It doesn't do as well on my shaggy vintage butcheroid rug. It gets bigger things too. In addition to shedding non-stop, my dog likes to chew up paper towels. When I catch him mid-act, he often leaves big scraps on the floor. Those pieces can clog up my cordless stick vacuum cleaners, but the electrostatic sweeper gets them quickly and easily. Of course, it's a fairly simple device and has its drawbacks. For example, there's no real way to tell when it's full other than emptying it, and because it's so small it can fill up quickly, especially if you have a shedding dog who leaves bits of paper all over the floor. So far though, I've just kind of sensed when it needs to be emptied and haven't noticed a dip in performance when it gets close to full. The electrostatic sweeper works best when you push it back and forth really quickly, and can be a bit of a workout if you have a lot of square footage to cover, but you get the satisfaction of a clean floor when you're done. And it does all of that pretty quietly, which is why you sometimes still see this type of cleaner used in restaurants with carpeted floors. Number 2. Bissell Natural Sweep Carpet and Floor Sweeper, with dual rotating system and 2 corner edge brushes. The Bissell Natural Sweep Carpet and Floor Sweeper is a manual sweeper with dual rotating brush rolls and 2 corner brushes. One brush gathers larger debris, while the other picks up smaller particles. The brush design is effective in picking up hair, dirt, and crumbs on a variety of floor surfaces, including carpets, rugs, and hard floors like wood and tile. Fairly lightweight at 3.5 pounds, it has a 9.5-inch cleaning pad. This carpet sweeper is comfortable to use and compact. It worked impressively on larger debris like dog kibble, on both carpeting and hard floors. However, small debris such as bread crumbs took a few tries to sweep up, especially on wood floors. Still, we like how it removes dog hair from area rugs. At 1.6 kg, it's super lightweight and easily maneuverable around furniture, although won't give that edge clean finish as you would with a powered vacuum. The fact that you don't have to bend over to sweep anything up is a big plus for anyone with mobility issues. And once it's full, emptying is as easy as flicking open the body and tipping everything straight into the bin. You'll need to clean the brushes regularly to keep them in working order, just the same as a regular vacuum cleaner. If you're looking for ways to cut back on energy use, rolling this around the house in between weekly vacuums is certainly route to doing it. Just don't throw out your proper vacuum yet. Number 3. Rubbermaid Commercial Executive Series Brushless Mechanical Carpet Sweeper. Rubbermaid's brushless carpet sweeper isn't exactly brushless. Instead, it contains small brushes on each corner to pick up even the smallest bits of debris. However, the main brush has a large, non-marking rubber blade that's also capable of picking up semi-liquid messes. Constructed of galvanized steel and ABS plastic, with a soft grip handle, Rubbermaid's Slim Sweeper, its sweep path is just 7.5 inches wide, can maneuver into and under tight spaces. The windows on its two debris canisters allow the user to observe fill levels and empty it promptly. With its one-touch emptying doors, debris disposal is easy. A great all-around sweeper, we were impressed at how well this sweeper worked at picking up large pieces of debris on both carpet and hard flooring. While getting all the small debris on hard floors took multiple passes, it still worked better than many other sweepers. A true winner for rooms with wall-to-wall carpeting, the Rubbermaid Executive Series sweeper picked up a shocking amount of deeply embedded pet hair. Cleanup is fast and easy. While this is one of the pricier models, it may be worth the splurge. This sweeper isn't meant to replace the vacuum cleaner or the broom altogether. It's just easier to use on the jobs it works on, and it works on a lot of common jobs, particularly little spills, tracked in dirt, and various messy accidents as long as they're more or less out in the open. And it might very well replace the dustpan. Number 4. Shark Ultralight Cordless 13-inch Rechargeable Floor and Carpet Sweeper. For a lightweight model, the Shark Rechargeable Floor and Carpet Sweeper is powerful. It offers 2 speeds and can clean everything from area rugs to stairs. Its swivel head allows it to easily maneuver around furniture. The bristles gather up tiny pet hairs from carpeting and area rugs, and it also picks up large pieces of kibble with ease. The clear brush compartment sets this carpet sweeper apart, allowing users to see if something gets caught in the brush roll or is too large to get sucked in. Like the brush roll, the dirt tray is also clear, making it easy to monitor its contents. Because it has a 1/8 quart capacity, it doesn't need to be emptied often. The tray slides out easily, ensuring everything lands in the garbage instead of back on the floor. It picks up well both on my hardwood kitchen floor, my tile bathroom floor, and carpeting through the rest of the place. I ran it along baseboards and it seemed to pick up well. I especially noted that it picked up well along my electric baseboard heat in the bathroom in particular. I pushed and pulled it forward and back, and as of now I didn't notice that it put anything that it had just swept up back onto the floor. It also has run about 40 minutes in total over the week, and it does not need to be recharged yet. So far I am pleased with the performance. Number 5. Karcher KB5 Electric Floor Sweeper Broom, Multi-surface, lightweight and cordless, ideal for fur, hair, dirt, and debris. With a slick yellow design that looks like a remote-controlled race car, the Karcher cordless electric broom starts up quickly and easily. Pull back the handle, and the Karcher powers up and will stay on for about 30 minutes after a 3-hour charge. At only 6 pounds, the Karcher KB5 is also one of the lighter sweepers on this list. The KB5 runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and it picks up dirt and debris from both hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its brush roll is easy to clean, and the dirt cup empties easily. The package contains a charging cord for the battery. With a handle that can move both horizontally and vertically, this model stands out for maneuverability. The handle can be folded flat for storage or for better reach when pivoting under furniture, especially low pieces. This is a smart choice for small spaces like tiny homes, RVs, and studio apartments. It picks up both large and small debris impressively on both hard floors and carpeting, cleaning quickly and efficiently.